Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drones with HD cameras at cheap price available right now. I made this list based on features, quality, price, and many more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for the best drone with HD camera, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, FEMA SG701 drone with 8K dual HD camera. The FEMA SG701 and SG701's RC GPS drone with 8K dual HD camera. Long distance foldable drone. HD adjustable camera, 4K Wi-Fi high definition camera, adjustable lens angle, 120 degrees, integrated camera and body design, can adjust the shooting angle up and down, easy to take high-resolution photos and videos. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Multi-point flight planning. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route. The flight parameters of the waypoint can be modified in the setting interface. Multi-point planning flight of the route. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Camera lens 120 degrees. Adjustable angle camera 90 degrees. Flight time, about 15 minutes. Control distance, about 100 meters. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. Wi-Fi transmission distance, 80 meters. GPS 1 key to return to takeoff point, low power home, no signal home. The aircraft recovery function, continuously click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map shows the final distance of the aircraft, the latitude and longitude position. Fourth product on my list, CEVENNESFE F10 4K Profesional GPS drones with HD 4K cameras. CEVENNESFE new F10 drone 4K Profesional GPS drones with HD cameras. CEVENNESFE F10 is a 4K HD Wi-Fi FPV quadcopter with 25 minutes of flight time. It builds with latest GPS, GLONASS, and vision positioning modes. It can easily launch and track the current position for precise hovering. With 4K 1080 pixel camera and 5G FPV system, it supports 720p 100 meters Wi-Fi FPV and real-time video transmission. It is easy to control and fly with one key takeoff and landing and altitude hold function. With headless mode and 3D rolling special function, it can also do 3D tumbling in 4 directions. Not to mention that it has the wind-resistant ability. It can be possible to fly more stable in the windy daybreak. You can enjoy the flight freely without worrying about the flight direction anymore. It also supports the micro South Dakota card to extend the memory of your device. Its foldable design makes it can be easily carried. Third product on my list, Vimillo S167 Pro GPS drone. The Vimillo S167 Pro 4K Professional Dual HD Camera Foldable Quadcopter Drone. 4K pixels 75-degree adjustment, adjustable Super 4K camera design brings you better aerial photography effect, improved camera image quality. Dual camera, remote electric adjustment, wider field of vision. Image following, auto follow, your lazy man follows the clapper artifact. Pointing route flight fly where you mean. Circling flight 360-degree surround flight shooting. Speed switching, adjust according to the environment. 20-minute long endurance, 7.4 volts 1300 mAh lithium battery. GPS flagship chip performance plus 150% with GPS call. The positioning accuracy is greatly improved and it is full at one-time flagship experience, more HD camera, aerial photography without delay. Brushless motor, equipped with high-efficient brushless motor, the power is stronger and retracts freely. Strong power, stepless speed change, bass noise reduction, 2-time service life. GPS satellite positioning, low power return, over range return, runaway return, one-click return. GPS plus optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning system is enabled indoors, and the images captured by the bottom camera pass through the system lock for precise hover. Enable the GPS system outdoors and obtain the satellite through the GPS chip signal, track the flight position at all times, and fly more safely and safely. Novel functions. A variety of aerial photography modes are blessed, which is convenient and fast, making you feel great in seconds. Second product on my list, MKTOYS MKSG108 GPS drone quadricopter with 4 camera. MKTOYS MKSG108 Profesional GPS drone quadricopter with 4K HD wide-angle camera. MKTOYS MKSG108 is extremely user-friendly that comes with 1 key start landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. MKSG108 drone can be folded up into a compact and portable shape, fit easily into a backpack, perfect to take it traveling. Max flying time support up 20 to 25 minutes. High-speed powerful motor, brushless power, good wind resistance. Advanced features. Waypoints flying is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Show your Palmer V sign to the front camera, MKSG108 will automatically take a photo or video. Intelligent controlled. You can control the drone through the built-in GE sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal on smartphone without a remote controller. Or control your drone with simple voice commands like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward, backward. This drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. You can capture and record 1080p HD aerial footage and share it instantly on social media through the Deer app. First product on my list, GRAYCEWODY KF102 4K Professional Photography Drone. The GRAYCEWODY KF102 new GPS drone with 4K Professional Photography 8K HD camera. 8K 120 degrees wide-angle professional aerial photography experience. 8K pixels high-definition pixels bring exquisite and rich image quality, making your aerial creation more free and easy to shoot movie-level pictures. The drone uses a CMOS sensor, which can take 6K movie-level pixel photos, fully retaining the creation details, and the texture is close to blockbuster movies. Play without hindrance unimaginable flying experience. Have a different beauty in your hands. About 1200 meters remote control and about 25 minutes long battery life. Long-distance high-definition image transmission. In the GPS positioning mode, control the drone to fly at a distance of 5 to 30 meters from the operator and turn on the app follow function. The drone can automatically follow the operator's movement and take pictures. Route planning flight, the app map accurately points, and you can fly where you want to fly. 7.4 volt 2200 mAh large capacity modular battery, long battery life and easy replacement. Take a stunning and wonderful movie with a 360-degree surround flight shooting angle of view.